If you prefer not to run Jupyter Notebooks on your local computer or are having trouble with Anaconda due to administrative restrictions, Azure Notebooks provide an excellent alternative. Here's how to get started. First, create a free account on Azure. This will allow you to access Azure Notebooks without needing to install anything locally. Once logged in, go to the Libraries tab at the top left of the screen. Click the plus sign to create a new library. Name it, choose whether it's public or private, and you can also generate a README file, similar to GitHub, if desired. After creating your library, you will see a new dashboard or file browser. Click on New Notebook File in the file browser to start a Jupyter Notebook. Here you'll have to select your Python version. Azure will launch a new notebook server for you and present a fresh Jupyter Notebook interface. In your library, click on the white space to the right of the file name. This will activate the icons at the top of the file browser, allowing you to execute commands on files and folders. Once you've completed your work, and if your library is public, you can share it by either copying the link, embedding the link in a web page or markdown file, or emailing it directly from the Azure Notebook environment. With your Jupyter Notebook set up, you're ready to navigate the environment and perform quantitative and visual exploratory data analysis. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.